Okay, hey guys, I bought the cable, the USB connect to the hard disk. Now I try to connect it to the cable to the hard disk, and then connect the cable to my laptop. Okay, the die is coming. Okay, now I will go to the Window Explorer. Go at the D drive, and then I try copy something from the hard disk to my laptop. This one, okay, copy that to my laptop. Okay, and I try to go to the another one, BitTorrent. Okay, now it's no response. The hard disk still connect, but the drive it doesn't respond. Okay, I hope it should prove that the cable it doesn't work. Alright, thank you for watching.